Okay, this is my tutorial for this part. So let's start. We could do it as one, or we could mirror it. Be faster to mirror it, but maybe more simple to do it as one part. I'm going to mirror it. Can start with a side sketch, extrude out, make cuts from the side face first to make that recess. Then we can make a cut from the front face and then from the top. So start on the side face, let's draw a rectangle and have it 118 long and 42 plus 27.5 tall. Let's add a fillet on this side, add a radius of 27.5. Let's finish that with a circle going round, because we can get the center point from the fillet. We can then draw a square going out, or a rectangle. That's 27.5. Snap it to there. And it's up 16 from here. 16 mil. And let's snap it to there. Let's trim the ugly bits. Let's add a fillet here, which is 12. Let's add another circle here to give us the inside, which is 30. And then that recess is 38. And finish this. Select this. Let's select this one, extrude it. It is, how thick is it? Right, it's 54 mil thick, so let's do 27. Enter. And let's extrude this one, switch it to two sides. One side go to there, and this side can go -4, I believe it is. Yeah, -4. Now we can sketch from this face. We want to make this cutout going all the way through the center, and then this dovetail. So the cutout is 14 mil. So from here I can go 14 mil. Switch to rectangle and make this any size as long as it covers that. And now it is the dovetail, the bottom face is 16 from the side. It's a 60-degree angle and it's 8 mil up. Not a rectangle, a line. So 16. Snap it to there. 8. It'd be easier if I did this as a rectangle, but it is what it is. And then this one is 120 because it's 180 minus 60. That gives us these two that I can then extrude all the way back. Okay. Let's turn off those sketches because they look ugly. Alright, now we've got to sketch from the top, but let's sketch from the bottom so we can get onto here. Let's do a rectangle first. So that would be, 27, and then this is 118. Let's add the fillets here. How big are those? They are 6. Is that 6? Yeah, radius of 6. 6 there, 6 there. Now this slot, we can use the slot tool and we can go 9. It's a 16 diameter slot, so that's an 8 mil radius. So we want to go 9 in and then another 8. That's 17 mil in. We can use the slot tool and go 99 minus 16, which I can't be bothered to work out in my head. And then this is going to go out 16 mil to give us the diameter. We can finish that. When it loads, select this, this, and this. Extrude, cut, go all the way up. That should be half the model. I've probably missed something, but then I can mirror it on this axis. Okay, quickly check the distance between there, 54. 54 is what it should be. Go to materials, metal, aluminium. Let's make sure it's the right mass. 27, that's fine. Let's get the properties. Mass 309.24. There we go, first try.